What's up, sports fans? Ripper coming back at you, and I don't know if this is right on the heels of the Ultra break here, and I should have set myself up better before I started. But I wanted to get a good taste in my mouth after that Ultra break, so I'm going to do a box of the 04 Fleer Ultra I got. Not sure when I'm going to post this video, but time stamp wise, you get an idea how far back my pre-recorded videos can go. This is probably one that'll be posted relatively quickly. But this is normally how I do it. Open up something and then kind of just sit on it for a while. Alright, green pack. Find an autograph card, 1 in 5 packs. And there's 15 packs. Paul Molitor, Mike Schmidt, Ty Cobb. Nice looking base cards, huh? Let me focus on that for you. I'm probably going to have to do this in 2 videos and edit it together, so. Nice looking base cards. We'll go line by line by line there in the box. Alright. Nolan Ryan, our first autograph. A Jim Rice. Oh, there you go. Jim Rice. Not a Hall of Famer yet, could be one day. Gotta check and see if some people are still watching online from the break. So I put the cam back on and did this for them. And letting them watch this live as well. I'm opening up the rest of the packs from that row since I don't think there's any more autos, but I think I'm going to be wrong. Mel Ott. What's this? Glory of Their Time. William McCovey. Ripken. Vita Blue. These are really nice cards. A lot of credit for the base. I always liked this product though. That's why I picked up the 04. I already opened the 06. Yastrzemski. Duke Snyder. What's that? Some kind of like... Yep, numbered to 500. That was some kind of white whale thing or something, but... I gotta sit back. Sorry guys, I've been leaning forward in this bar stool here all... Oh. Ooh, that feels so much better. Why didn't I just pull the chair forward an hour ago? And I forgot this isn't a group break, so I'm going to do this Ripper style. So yeah, I think we'll get this all in one video actually. So let's see, I think there'll be an autograph somewhere in here too. Steve Carlton, Frank Robinson, Tony Perez. This auto isn't on card, I'm noticing though, which is a little disappointing. Dempster, Munson, Nolan Ryan, Rusty Staub. Remember getting Rusty Staub cards in packs. Lou Brock, sweet. I needed a better Lou Brock. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So this last one should have a game used and a and an auto. Let's see here. supposed to get 3 hits, by the way, or 4 hits. 3 autographs and 1 game used per box. And I happen to like their game used. I think they're pretty cool. Their autographs are nice. It's on sticker, but still, I fell in love with this product in 2001. Busted a lot of it then. Well, I don't really see a game used, so oh. That's for the Hall of Famer. Okay, come on now. Bo Jackson, Jose Canseco, Steve Carlton, numbered to 500. Lee Brock, Juan Marichal. Jack Morris. That's a fine autograph, but I already have a Jack Morris autograph ball. So that's not too bad, I guess. But I didn't get a game used. No game used. I thought I was supposed to get a game used. I was promised a game used. Fine glory of their time. Game used people 130 packs. So I guess it's 1 and 2 boxes that you get the game used on it, as well as the 3 autographs. Oh well. That's the hit right there. That's what I need. A Lou Brock. I have a ball, but it's kind of a dumpy autograph. And I'll probably keep the ball still, but it's a pretty good, nice Brock for the collection. So there you have it, sports fans. See you in the bleachers.